Hi guys, this is Reza from OneSuite. So today I'll show you how the timesheet work in OneSuite. So first of all, to enable the timesheet, you have to go to this customize module. So if it's not enabled for you, just make it enabled and click on save changes. Then you can actually track time. So if you click here, there is start timer. So you have to select the project, then who is the collaborator for this task. Then you can select the task, subtask, is it billable or non-billable. So if it's billable, you have to put any value, otherwise it won't be saved. So if you want to save, you have to pause the timer, then update it, and then actually again resume it. So for example, I have a project that is $100 per hour, and then the timer starts. So timer won't be counted until it's 1 minute. So the minimum time we have to work 1 minute, and then we can actually keep this time entry. Then we can discard this, you can pause the timer, reset. Also, if you forget to stop the timer will be automatically stopped within 4 hours. And then if you go to my timesheet, you can see all the timesheet you previously logged. Then you can update this, is it billable, is it unbilled, and is it approved or not. So if the tax is billable and if the status is approved, and if the status is not billed, unbilled yet, then you can actually create invoice based on this. So first let me show you how you can see the timesheet in the project. So if you go to timesheet, you can see all the timesheet entry for all the member. And then if you go to invoice, you can create an invoice based on the project and its timesheet. So this time I have over already so I'm actually just adding this timer. So OneSuite development, then if I actually select this time frame like 1 to 6, it shows there is no time entry in this time frame. Sorry, I picked the wrong project previously. So if I select this date range, you see this time is already coming here. So I just work another minute, but it's not coming because that task is not approved yet, it's in draft. So if I actually approve it, then I can actually create this bill based on that minute. I actually can't just add work right now. So the projects were features and feedback, and then from timesheet I can actually, that 1 minute is actually converted here. If you click here, you can see all the approved time and their amount, and you can just save it and download it. So that's how the time tracking work, how you can actually access the timesheet, my timesheet, then in project how you can actually check the timesheet, and then how you can create invoice based on timesheet. Now I will show you, if you go to any projects and if you go to any tax or subtax details, you can track the time right here. Obviously you cannot change this one because that means you are you cannot actually track other time for other people. So that's for like tax. If you go to any subtax as well, like there is a subtax, let me go to the subtax, and in subtax as well you can actually create any you can track time. So if you go to other places as well, it will be still there, and then you click and if you try to entry the time, that will give you a message that you cannot actually track time less than a minute. So I think that will be very helpful for you who are actually tracking time, billing their clients. So enjoy this feature and let us know if you need any improvement here. Thank you.